Welcome to the BMW engine manufacturing facility. Today, I'll guide you through how a BMW engine is made, step by step.
This precision ensures strength, durability, and long engine life.
Everything begins with high-grade aluminum and steel, carefully selected to meet BMW's strict performance standards.
Here, the engine block takes its first real shape.
Once prepared, the materials move forward to become the core of the engine. Advanced CNC machines prepare the metal with micron-level precision. Cylinder bores are drilled with perfect alignment to maximize performance. Temperature control is critical during this stage.
Automation ensures consistency across every BMW engine.
Now, the engine block is ready for internal components. The crankshaft converts combustion into motion.
Robotics ensure flawless installation.
The engine's internal foundation is now complete. Lubrication paths are engineered to reduce friction. Each piston is balanced for smooth operation. This stage controls airflow and combustion. Valve timing is calibrated for efficiency and power. BMW tests airflow digitally before final approval. Every engine is tested under real operating conditions. Perfect sealing is essential for compression.
The engine structure is now fully assembled.
Performance data is monitored in real time.
Performance data is monitored in real time.
Heat management ensures long-term reliability.
No engine leaves without approval.
Only perfect engines move forward. Final preparation ensures showroom-ready quality. From here, engines travel worldwide. Engines are secured for global transport. BMW engines power vehicles across the globe.
And that's how a BMW engine is manufactured. So pure, from raw metal to performance masterpiece.
This is German engineering at its finest.
BMW engines power vehicles across the globe.